Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with Hexagonal Net Stitch. This stitch with nice hexagonal shape holes can be used for your tote bags and your summer wear dresses, etc. And it's very interesting to work the stitch. To demonstrate the stitch, I am going to use pistachio green hobby store 100% premium acrylic anti-pill Aran yarn, which is medium weight 4 with color code 2021. Okay, to make the stitch we require a multiple of 5 stitches plus 1 stitch, else you make multiple of 5 chains as foundation chain and make extra 8 chains and start placing your first stitch in the 13th chain. Okay, that is also possible, but I wanted to have a firm base here. This is done without a base. I have done with foundation chains, and this I'm going to demonstrate with single crochet as the foundation row. This row is not counted. So the very first row is, you either chain 8 and work or make a double crochet, standing twisted double crochet in the very first stitch. I am going to do that. Twist, insert in the very first stitch, pick up yarn over, pull through the picked up yarn, and behind the twisted loop you'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. So the first double crochet is done, and then you need to chain 5, skip 4, and make a double crochet in the next 1, 2, 3, 4. In the fifth stitch you make a double crochet. This hexagonal net stitch is worked with double crochets and chains. Again chain 5, skip 4, in the next double crochet. Continue this way. I shall meet you at the end of this row. I've come to the end of the row here. I've chained 5 and place your last DC over here. To begin the second row, you have the option of either chaining 6 and working or making a double crochet in the very first stitch here. I'm going to make a double crochet. Chain 6 counts as 1 double crochet and chain 3. I've completed my double crochet. Now chain 3 and place your DC under this chain space. We are not working into the chains here. We are placing our stitches over the chain 5 space. Again chain 5 DC, chain 5 DC, chain 5 DC. I shall tell you what to do at the end of this row. We have come to the end of this row here. To end this row, we need to chain 2 and work a treble, yarn over twice, on the first DC we did. Otherwise, the third chain of the starting 6 chains. Okay, so here on this DC I'm going to place here, I think this is starting 8 chains, so first third of 8 chains or on the DC. If you have worked a DC and chain 5 on the DC, so this treble you make. Okay, now make a DC and chain 5, otherwise it will be chain 8. I have done a double crochet, chain 5. This is row number 3. Place a DC under this chain 5 space. You are not working under chain 2 space here. We are not working on this space. Again chain 5, yarn over and make a DC under the next chain 5 space. So continue till the end. I shall tell you what to do at the end here. We have come to the end of row 3. Here there is a small change. You're not going to chain 5, but you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you remember we started here with the DC and chain 3. So on top of the DC, you're going to make a single crochet. So this is how your pattern develops. You can see the hexagons here. So thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you'll enjoy the stitch. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified as and when we upload a new video. Have a great day friends. Bye for now.